Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for COBOL programming. Codeium's AI-powered features can enhance your COBOL development with smart code sessions and completions. So let's dive in. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new COBOL project, or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write COBOL code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time sessions. These sessions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. To accept a session, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your COBOL file, helping you code faster and more efficiently. Codeium can assist with various aspects of COBOL programming such as business logic, data processing, and legacy system integration. It offers intelligent sessions based on COBOL best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a division or a section, Codeium will suggest completions for statements, data descriptions, procedure divisions, making it easier to write well-structured COBOL code. Codeium also supports COBOL-specific features like file handling, data structures, and conditional statements. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for handling these features effectively. To customize Codeium's behavior for COBOL, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of sessions shown and language-specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your COBOL code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your COBOL code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium sessions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing and data validation. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for COBOL programming. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient COBOL code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.